This get is called at length. What we get as an argument is just a string, and what we have to return is a list with the word, but with the length added to it. How to go about that? Let's start iterating through the string for letter in string, and you will see that it only returns letters. Print letter. And that's something that we can't work with. What we have to do is to convert the string to a list immediately. How do we do that? Well, with the split method. And then dot split, parentheses, and that will split the string into a list. And the default is that it will split at every white space. So let's print it out. And there we have it. And let's assign it to string. Now we can iterate through it and actually get the words. And what we have to do now is to add the length after the words. For that, we can use the len function, length function, and pass in the word as an argument. And how do we concatenate it with the string? Can we just add it? I believe we can't. There we have a problem. Type error can only concatenate string, not integer to string. What's happening here? Well, the following. Let's have a look at the type of the length of the word. As you can see, we are dealing with integers. So what we have to do is to cast this integer type to a string as follows. So we cast it to a string type, and then we can concatenate them. And there we have it. But of course with a white space. So we can add it in between. And that looks like something we can work with. So let's add that to a new list, result, and append it. We can use this whole string as an argument. Is that the same? Let's check it out. Yeah, it is. Perfect. I hope this has been useful and helpful. If so, please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.